we wanted to review our review from the article. Before we get started, let me and my friends just introduce ourselves. My name is Noval.
My name is Medianti.
Okay, don't take too long time. In here we are talking about the globalizing, the study of the language, variation, and change. Okay, first we are going to talk about the strange from this article. First, it is strange. This article to say is it important to include a lot of language and the communities that are often ignored. It used to be good to data to show that English and Western language are overrepresented in the research. And then the next we talk about the weakness. In here, since weakness is talk about the global software language, but it doesn't show much new data from the information. And then the suggestions are sometimes to general. It's not a specific data. And then in this article, it's focused too much of the English speaking research. Okay, to continue with the key findings. In here we discuss about key findings. Most research is still focused on the English and Western countries is over 70%. Little has changed in the last 20 years, despite calls for the diversity and all the sociolinguistic method limit new idea. Studying is more cultural and the language necessarily to improve the field. Okay, it can continue with my friends' review, talk about the conclusion and comment.
Okay, for the conclusion, the article concludes with a call for paradigm expansion in sociolinguistics. It argues the field to adopt cross-cultural, cross-linguistic, and comparative approaches. Moving beyond the usual suspect English, European languages, and urban monolingual Western societies. It emphasizes that globalizing sociolinguistics is both a scientific necessity to broaden theoretical validity and an ethical imperative to support linguistic diversity and counter-linguistic. The authors argue that such expansion would not only strengthen sociolinguistic theory but also promote social justice. And for the comments, our comment are the article reads both as a manifesto and a scholarly critique, which is a rare and commendable combination. Second, it can serve as a foundational reading for graduate students or early career researchers interested in diversifying their linguistic research. And the third, particularly valuable is the emphasis on superdiversity in global south megacities like Lagos, which demands new sociolinguistic methodologies. The last, the author transparent acknowledgement of their own linguistic and institutional positionalities adds credibility to their critique. And one missed opportunity might be the lack of visual representations or mapping of underrepresented art style figures on journal content are included. So there are our review and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.